Hi! Make sure you like and share and subscribe. Today we are gonna craft. We are gonna craft a origami. See, it's a fish. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Since origami is so hard, I'm gonna start something like simple. So it looks like this fish. It's cute. And you know, origami is just designed with a paper. It's very cool. Made from Japan. There are hundreds of thousands
design.
Yesterday I brought lots of colorful paper. So I have orange. I'm gonna choose green because it's gonna look cool right now. It's a green fish. I need a soy sauce. So I'll tell you how to make it. First, this corner should come here. Let me show you. Whoever doesn't know how to make the square size paper, you have to fold it like this. Fold it. Now we have to cut this paper. And got a square size paper. Ta-da! Turn it into a rectangle. Fold. And open it. Then fold. Yeah. Fold it like this. Then turn it into a rectangle like this. Okay. Then fold it. You got a triangle over here. Now we should turn it here and then square size like this. This square we got it a rectangle. So when we're doing a square, there's an open part over here like mouth. That mouth should go into the left. This is a hard part. Now look at that. Now you just have to turn it into triangle like this. This part will be open and like. Now I got this. So we got this other side. Okay, good. The other side like this. Next you start with the fish's scale. So pick any side you want. You see the exercise this way and the other side. Got it. Now we just turn it. Yeah. So make sure it's proper. Just make it like this. Like this. You have to make the eyes and the smile. You want to make a cute eye. Very big. Okay. If you want to make a cute eye, this is how. Make a circle. Like 3 more circles in the inside. And color. We only need one eye because fishes have 2 eyes in the front. Oh. After you color, you can smile. Okay, so I'm gonna make a cute smile I ever made. Ta-da! And you know, this green fish has something to tell you all. Make sure you like. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment nice. Make sure you share. You like my little fishies? Comment down below. I'll see you in the next video. So bye bye.